Hi, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this channel. As I promised before that I will make another video showing you guys how to make an easy paper phone stand. And this video will show you how to do that from a cardboard paper without glue. So let's get started. In this video I will show you two ways to make a phone stand. This first one will be a horizontal phone stand and the second one will be a vertical one. So the tool that I'm using here are very simple. A leftover cardboard paper, small size, prefer 15 multiple by 20 centimeters. A pair of scissors and a paper cutter. As we don't use glue for this paper phone stand, we'll use a stapler and some staples. We need a pen or pencil and a ruler for shape cutting. So here we go. Let's make the horizontal phone stand first. Step number 1. Open the cardboard box and decide which part of that to get cut off. Here I chose the cardboard bottom side and decide to grab a corner of it to make an easy phone stand. Step number 2. Use your pen and ruler to draw lines of both sides of the cardboard. Remember to make lines so that the cardboard corner will turn into a triangle shapes. Step number 3. Cut off the cardboard's top part if needed. Remove those top parts that are unnecessary on this current cardboard. After that, it's all good to be done. Step number 4. Start using the phone holder right away. You can right away using this without doing any more things. Just cut it in the right shape and put your phone on. Notice that if you guys need to charge phone while using this phone stand, then we can cut out a small rectangular shape hole that fits USB Type-C cable. Now, how I utilize the last cut out parts of this cardboard box to make a vertical phone stand. Step number 1. Grab the last parts of this cardboard box. The last part of this box are needed because we will stand this up vertically. Step number 2. Cut out all the cardboards. Separate it by 2. Each part will create a triangle corner for vertical phone stand. Step number 3. Join the two parts together. At this step, we need to join those parts by using staplers to attach them together. Step number 4. Cut out the sides to make triangle shapes. This is done like the above for horizontal phone stand making. Step number 5. Adding a box shape outline. This is to help keeping the phone inside the box, just in case that it might slide out of this phone stand. But as normal, you don't need this part also. And the last step here, step number 6. Decorate the phone stands. It's optional. So here I've used some paper from milk boxes to decorate for this vertical phone stand. I think this will make the phone stand look a little bit better, even though we don't really need it. As for now, you can start using this phone stand already. Notice that you can use these phone holders in flat places such as working desks, reading table, bed, etc. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you guys in the next videos. Bye for now.